You can make your edges and your leave out look real slick down and everything, but what are you gonna do when the humidity hits or when you start sweating in your scalp? In this video, I'm gonna show you the perfect U part to combat that problem. Now, before we get a crack-a-lackin', why don't you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for our sponsors, Unice Hair. All of their information will be left in the description box below. They sent me all of these goodies along with this unit. All right, now listen. Initially, you look at it and it look like the curls are like really subtle, but I went ahead and gave it a little shampoo, right? And after I gave it the shampoo, baby, it matched my curl pattern, how my hair looks after it's wild and crazy through the day. So let's go ahead and get this looking like our natural hair. We need some foam wrap. I'm using foam wrap from a girl at the Main Life Studio. You know what I mean? So look, peep game. So naturally people are like, oh, you can't detangle with oil. Listen, these little napolas are napola in. So I tried to comb through them. Well, not tried to, because I knew I couldn't get through it, right? But let me just show you how it looks when you try to just go ahead in there before you put anything on it, any oil, with a comb, right? You can barely get through that stuff. But then when you put a little bit of hemp seed oil on there and just let it sit, the comb goes right through. So the whole little thing, oh, you can't detangle with oil, boo boo. If detangling with oil is not working for you, you're not working it right. You're not doing it right. So like I said, you'll see me try to go through. Look, girl, it's stuck. Almost broke my comb. Ooh, praise the Lord. But then almost broke my comb. Do you understand what I'm talking about? But when I just go ahead and put just a little bit of hemp seed oil on my fingers and then glide it through my hair, it glides through with ease. All right, I'm gonna go a little bit deeper into HS, hydrogenated suppurativa, because I get a lot of questions about thin spots and all that stuff. We have videos coming very soon on that, but I just wanted to show you guys how easy the comb is going through now once oil is on it. Hemp seed oil is bomb.com because hemp seed oil has, basically, for lack of a better way to describe it, sedative properties to the hair shaft. Not like it's gonna make your hair high or nothing, but what it actually does is it relaxes the cuticle, so it's easy for you to detangle the hair. Fact. Okay, so now after I drink some tea, what we are going to do next is go ahead and start using this foam wrap. Now everything else is going to be very self-explanatory because I'm just gonna put this foam wrap on. But let me tell you something, boo boo, all foam wraps are not created equally. And Keisha, girl, this some foam wrap here. You understand what I'm talking about? So today, this foam wrap and me are going to tackle this wig. And all together, listen, this wig is going to be so cute, girl. I am going for the look of like, okay, I just want to wear my natural hair, but I sweat from my scalp. So my roots are just a little kinky, you know, but it blends all together from roots to ends. That's what we're going for, because one of the main problems that everybody has is it'll look cute for a minute, but then once you start sweating, or if you live in a humid climate and then those roots go back to normal, then you look crazy. But in this case, we're gonna combat that. All right, now you guys will notice that I do not have any edge control on at first. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I did not wear edge control the whole time, and I actually have a couple of videos coming soon where I was filming with this unit on with no edge control, so you guys will see exactly how it's looking. It's going to be giving very natural. I don't have on no edge control because I just left the gym, but I have my clothes in my purse and I'm still cute. Okay, after the shower, I just forgot to pack my edge control. All right, so I love you guys. I will put on a tad of edge control, just a little bit at the very end, just to give you a dosage of it if you just really need to have it. But as we speak right now, I still have this unit in my head. Oops, excuse me. Still have this unit in my head, and y'all, like, I am loving it. Like, the longer I have it in, the fluffier it's getting, and it is just blending with my natural hair like nobody's business. That's the telltale sign of whether or not a unit can really get the job done, because everybody can make a unit look cute when a whole bunch of product is on it, but what that unit hitting for when those roots start coming in? What's going on then, boo? That's what we need to see. So you guys keep watching. This is going to be self-explanatory. As you can see, the leave out is very minimum. This is going on week 2 of my silk press, so this is just something that I'm doing to give me maybe a couple of days before I wash my hair. All right, so yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Check the description box for all of the information on this unit. Yes, I am in love with it, and yes, you will see it again. And no, I'm not all into the edge control if you were part of the edge control police committee. Okay, all right, I'll see you later.
Oh my mate, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn, shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down, long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So we say, hey, Paco Pabago, I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Adicto a ti, mi flaca. Tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, so sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambino contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino, limón, no sal. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el final, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista es
Told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Can't wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
oh ma. Lo que tengo contigo, ma. Esto está fijo, ma.
She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got me, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Let me tell you something real quick, player. Now, first of all, I am loving this curl pattern, and that's mainly because I'm kind of looking at myself in the mirror as I'm editing this video, and baby, it's life. But let's get into this foam wrap. Now, all foam wrap is not created equally. You guys may notice that sometimes you'll go use some foam wrap, and then the second that you put it on your hair, it look like it's gonna bind with your hair extensions, and then it'll be like, girl, please, girl, psych, we was just playing. But listen, This one is not doing that. Now, granted, my edges, no, it's not doing that, but that's just because I didn't try to control it. If I would have put a neck strip down on my edges, then baby, they would have been slipped to the gods. But in this video, it's not about my edges. It is about this beautiful unit and me blending my leave out into this unit. So it's mainly about my ends. We're not focused on my roots, all right? I have a video coming really soon where we're going to be focused on smoothing natural hair with foam wrap. Baby, it's coming. But right now, on today's Saints, hey, what I need you to do is get into this blend right now between my hair and this unit using nothing but foam wrap. This unit is perfect. It is the perfect blend for my natural hair with this leave out. You cannot tell the separation. So imagine if I was a person that took their time and actually sat under the dryer with the papers on. I didn't have any neck strips with me. I thought I did, so I ended up using my scarf, and the scarf doesn't do the same exact job. It gets it dry, but does it mold it down the same exact way? No, it does not. But again, that's not what I was going for. I was going for that look of I just got done working out and stuff. Does this wig still blend with my natural hair? Because when we're talking about U parts, that's what makes the difference, girl. Because these wigs, these U parts be telling all y'all secrets, but this one did not tell my secrets. It didn't tell my secrets. You know what I mean? So okay, bye for real this time.
How to keep the healing.